Hi, welcome to the Java Core Learning course by example. And today is the day 13. I'm going to talk about how to work with the switch key in Java. In the previous video, I will only talk about how to work with the if-else statement in Java. And today, switch key, it looks like the same thing when you are working with the if and else statement. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Eclipse here. I have a main package and now I will go ahead to create a class inside this package and new class, and after that I will name it is the switch key setting. Okay, so now we have to generate a method is main. Okay, let's do it. Okay, cool. Here, so in this class I will go ahead to allow the user to enter the number from keyboard. So if the user enters the number from the two eight, I will display the name of day in English. Display out of the it into the console message. And if the user enter another number, it is not in the day in the week, so we will display a error message. Okay, so now let's start it. I will import Java those until. Okay, here. Scanner. System.in. Sorry. Okay, so here I will declare some the variable in the integer. It should be the uh, weekday. Searching uh, weekday name. Okay, here. So here I have a message system dot out print. Please enter the number in the range 2 to 8. Okay, weekday equal uh, next. Okay, so here after that we have to check. I using the switch and key. With I will check the weekday. Key 0. I will have break. So here we are using the break keywords to break down to break outside of the this key. Okay, copy it. Okay, so the first case it should be the two. It should be Monday. Three is Tuesday. Four Wednesday. Five it should be Thursday. Six is Friday. Seven Tuesday. Sunday. Before. Okay, here. After that, we print out the message by display the weekday name. Okay. So here, let me run the application. Run. Here. So it display the message and said you have to enter the value from the 2 to 8. I enter 2. Enter here. So after you enter 2, it will be display the weekday name is Monday. Okay, run it again. So here I will enter another day. It is another value. It is outside this range. What happened? Please enter the value from 2 to 8 noon. Okay. So here instead of display noon, we can do this one here. Aside this one. Two. Run it again. 4. Okay. Run again. And 10. Please enter. Okay. Cool. So here, I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to use the switch key in Java. So it should be just the same thing with the if and else statement. So okay, hope that video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.